Excuse me, could you tell me where the check-in counters are?
Certainly. The check-in counters are just straight ahead, on the right side.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have your passport and ticket ready?
Yes, here they are.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Here's your boarding pass. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Can you also tell me where the security checkpoint is?
Of course. After passing the check-in counters, you'll see signs directing you to the security checkpoint on the left.
Got it. Thanks again.
No problem. Enjoy your trip.
Excuse me, which gate is my flight departing from?
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Here it is.
Your flight is departing from gate 24.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not too far. Just go straight ahead, and you'll find it on your right.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant journey.
Hi, I have a question about my baggage allowance.
Sure, I'll be happy to assist you. What would you like to know?
How many bags am I allowed to check in?
It depends on your ticket type. May I see your ticket, please?
Here it is.
For your ticket type, you're allowed to check in 2 bags free of charge.
That's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Excuse me, can you recommend a place to eat around here?
Certainly. There are several restaurants and cafes in the terminal. What type of cuisine are you in the mood for?
I'm open to anything. What's popular here?
The local specialty is seafood, and there's a seafood restaurant called Ocean Breeze nearby. It's quite popular among travelers.
Sounds great. Where can I find it?
It's on the 2nd floor, near Gate 18.
Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, is there a currency exchange office at the airport?
Yes, there is. It's located near the arrivals area.
Thank you. I need to exchange some dollars for euros.
They can assist you with that. Just head towards the arrivals area, and you'll see the currency exchange office on your left.
Great, thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a pleasant stay.
Hi, I'm a bit confused about the boarding process. Can you explain it to me?
Of course. Could I see your boarding pass, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Boarding will begin approximately 30 minutes before the departure.
I see. So, when should I be at the gate?
It's recommended that you arrive at the gate at least 45 minutes before the scheduled departure time to ensure a smooth boarding process.
Okay, I'll make sure to be there on time.
That's great. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Excuse me, is there free Wi-Fi available at the airport?
Yes, we provide free Wi-Fi throughout the terminal. You can connect to the network named Airport Wi-Fi without any password.
That's convenient. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. If you need any further information, don't hesitate to ask.
Hi, I was wondering if there are any duty-free shops in the airport?
Absolutely. We have a variety of duty-free shops offering a wide range of products such as cosmetics, perfumes, electronics, and more. They are located in the departure area.
That's great. I'll definitely check them out. Thank you.
Enjoy your shopping experience.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest restroom is?
Certainly. There are restrooms located throughout the terminal. Just follow the signs, and you'll find them easily.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Hi, I'm traveling with a pet. Can you guide me to the designated pet relief area?
Of course. We have pet relief areas both inside and outside the terminal. Inside the terminal, There is one located near Gate 12, and outside, there is a designated area just beside the parking lot.
That's great to know. Thanks for your assistance.
No problem. Have a safe journey with your pet.
Excuse me, is there a lost and found office at the airport?
Yes, we do have a lost and found office. It's located near the information desk in the main terminal. If you lose any items during your travel, make sure to check with them.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. I hope you find your belongings if you've lost anything.
Hi, I have a connecting flight. Can you tell me where the transfer desk is?
Certainly. After you go through immigration and collect your baggage, follow the signs for transfers. The transfer desk is located in the transit area.
Thank you for your assistance.
No problem. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Excuse me, is there a lounge I can access during my layover?
Yes, we have several lounges in the airport. They offer a comfortable and relaxing environment with amenities such as complimentary snacks, beverages, and Wi-Fi. The lounges are located in the departure area.
That sounds perfect. How can I access the lounge?
There are different ways to access the lounges, including purchasing a pass, having a specific airline's elite status, or being a member of a lounge program. You can inquire at the individual lounge desks for more information.
Thank you for the explanation.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time at the lounge.
Hi, I have a question about the duty-free allowances for alcohol and tobacco.
Sure, I can assist you with that. What would you like to know?
How many bottles of alcohol and packs of cigarettes am I allowed to bring into the country without paying duty?
It depends on the regulations of the country you're arriving in. Could I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Based on the country you're traveling to, you're allowed to bring in 1 liter of alcohol and up to 200 cigarettes without paying duty. However, it's always best to check the specific regulations for your destination.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Excuse me, is there a pharmacy in the airport?
Yes, there is a pharmacy located near the medical center in the terminal. They provide a range of over-the-counter medications and health supplies.
That's helpful to know. Thank you.
No problem. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to ask.
Hi, I have a laptop in my carry-on bag. Do I need to take it out during security screening?
Yes. Laptops usually need to be taken out of your bag and placed separately in a bin for screening. Please remove it from your bag and place it in the bin along with any other electronic devices.
Understood. Thank you for the clarification.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions regarding the security process, feel free to ask.
Sure, thanks.